Our stuff time for tonight. The album of a present card for years.
Hey guys, this is Yomarumon and welcome to Stuff Time. Today we're gonna be making an album of present card for years. This is an art project for your binding and reels. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel when we post new videos on the following Spotless Friday, dedicated to children and young people everywhere to follow this program that enhances your minds and skills in arts, projects, games and challenges, and outdoor activities. Have you remembered being that your gifts from your Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries using a present card? When you brought out the gift, parents and or family member ask you, who bought a gift to you? Then you reply, whether it says, you belonging for a friend or the family member. Or maybe means if you don't know your belongings from a person because you forget anything about your gifts. Sorry, but don't worry, friendships. We will make an art project for this topic right now to use your own skills and creativity. Alright, friendships, let's move on to the first segment.
So are the materials were needed brought from the school supply store or in the bookstore? Small folder, puncher, ruler, cardboard paper or any kinds of paper, scissors, pencil, yarn, and drawing materials, Scotch tape or glue, and your existing present card. Start off by measuring your white folder within 5.5 inch of width and 8.5 inch of height. Then trace onto it using a pencil. Then cut it out your folder in different size. Or you can use cutter if you want to. But the teachers or office mates suggest us by using a paper cutter trimmer to cut it down straight. If you don't have one, ask your parents to buy that one or you can order online as well. Get 10 or 20 pieces of paper. Then fold your paper one by one. Then place it inside the folder and close. Next, punch in the holes in a half part of a circle onto white folder. To bind it up, push the yarn through, in, and out of the holes like a running stitch. And knot it up. And make sure to tie and secure properly until the second time. After that, make your own title by writing onto your folder with a following of this picture. Your nickname and the last part is the present card. So that's my example about this. Get your existing present card and apply the tape or glue at the back of your present card one by one and stick it onto your paper in any pages. And write your comment below of your present belongings, your gift, and the date of your special occasions. And then all done for this art. So don't forget to keep it on your closet, bookshelves, and your drawers.
This art is designed for any binding ideas in DIY or do it yourself, and you compile any pages inside just like a photo album. So please make sure that your present cards to remember by reciting those present cards before you brought out some gifts and you were playing when the parents asked the question for your gift. And that was the album of present cards for years. This is an art project for your binding ideas. But before I end of this video, let's move on to the last segment of this program is my honorable moments. Back in October 2019, I was showing the online demo party competition at the Computer Arts Festival Party 2019 in Tatarstan, Kazan, Russia. I was decided that I'm going to have more time to think before I had to attend Saturday schools. You know that. I chose the Amiga demo intro competition where you combine with a category because I know if I have more make my own bulletin board ideas to see what kinds of news about stories, advertisements on television. 2 days of concept when I finish my work on any application materials like the multimedia software. That's what I wish for. My application making by using a demo maker and my artwork by using a deluxe. On my phone, I have more special things. Anyway, I realized that I got happy faces with me and I hope that I won on the third places of Amiga Demo Intro category last October 27, 2019. And last year, I received messages about the reward after my winnings of this competition and proposes the surprise package. So this was from the Mir Nashrov of the Tatarstan, Kazan, Russia. This was last Monday or Tuesday, or even Wednesday. A mini trophy about the third place in the category and includes the certificate and my special award is a snack bowl with a milky bread sticks. I'm proud of this and I hope to be thankful of that. And I'm really happy just as once for my talent, guaranteed ever, that recover new creative of arts and music. Thanks to Cafe Party 2019 supporting this program, everywhere to follow our community or teams for a demo party. And that was the segment for now. And I hope you guys enjoyed for this video. If you need comments or suggestions about the art projects, like the present cards for years given out in the competition. If you need something, please write to us at Yomarumon Dreams, Block 87, Block 1, Pantomina Mayor St, Greater Lagro, Novaliches, Quezon City, 1100, or email us at yomarumondreams@hotmail.com. Follow us on our social media through Facebook and Instagram. Join us on the Discord channel, link in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a video thumbs up and we shall see you guys next time. Goodbye. All submissions that become a property of Yomarumon Dreams and will be eligible for inclusion of all media. This means that we can share more ideas with other subtimers on YouTube, social media, in printing materials, and in other media. So, send it to Stop Time.